Hello everyone, welcome back to CraftLoaded. Today, I'll show you how to build the final part of this DIY cardboard SIG MCX Spear LT from scratch. In this part, we'll build the 11.5-inch barrel assembly, the handguard, the muzzle brake, the suppressor, and the iron sights. Before we begin the tutorial, let me show you some of its features. This build features a realistic 11.5-inch barrel configuration with a full-length top Picatinny rail and a detailed M-lock-style handguard. The handguard includes realistic ventilation slots, just like the real SIG MCX Spear LT. The muzzle brake is removable and uses a threaded barrel, allowing it to be replaced with the included suppressor. The adjustable gas regulator can also be rotated, just like on the real rifle. On the real firearm, the gas regulator is used to control the amount of gas entering the operating system. Before the tutorial, make sure to download the printable A4 templates from the link in the video description. Now, let's get started. Handguard and barrel. Step 1. Prepare templates number 1 and number 2. Step 2. Glue template number 2 on top of template number 1. Step 3. Attach a thin cardboard strip to the upper rear section of template number 1. Step 4. Glue template number 3 underneath template number 1 at an angle. Step 5. Attach template number 4 to cover the gap. Step 6. Glue template number 5 on top. Step 7. Attach template number 6 over template number 5 to cover the seam. Step 8. Glue template number 7 to the upper front section. Step 9. Repeat the same process to build the opposite side. Step 10. Prepare a cardboard strip measuring 1.5 cm times 21.2 cm. Step 11. Glue the strip along the bottom to join both sides of the handguard. Step 12. Attach template number 8 to the rear section. Step 13. Glue additional cardboard strips as shown in the video to cover the gap underneath. Step 14. Attach template number 9 on top to lock both sides of the handguard together. Step 15. Install the top Picatinny rail. The complete tutorial is available in my YouTube shorts, or you can find the link in the video description. Step 16. Prepare a paper tube. Step 17. Install the paper tube inside the upper receiver. Step 18. Prepare another paper tube measuring 1.8 cm in length. Step 19. Glue the cardboard pieces onto the paper tube. Step 20. Assemble the remaining parts as shown in the video. Their shapes are included in the printable template. Step 21. Prepare the remaining parts shown in the video. Step 22. Prepare a long paper tube with one end slightly flared, along with a paper ring. Step 23. Insert the long paper tube into the assembly, then secure it at the front with the paper ring. Make sure the long paper tube remains free to rotate and is not glued in place. Step 24. Attach 2 copies of template number 10 to the front section. Step 25. Prepare a paper barrel measuring 26.7 cm in length. Wrap one end with a 1 cm wide paper strip, then install a recycled pen thread insert at the front. Step 26. Install the gas block assembly onto the barrel and glue it in place. Step 27. Install the muzzle brake onto the threaded front of the barrel. The dimensions and design are included in the printable template. Step 28. Insert the completed barrel assembly into the handguard. Step 29. Prepare several cardboard pieces and a paper tube. Step 30. Install the paper tube between the paper tubes inside the upper receiver, then secure it with a pin. Finally, attach both paper tubes to the handguard as shown in the video. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your DIY cardboard SIG MCX Spear LT. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future DIY cardboard projects. Feel free to leave your questions, suggestions, or ideas for future builds in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.